So hello everyone, in this video I will be explaining the problem strange table, and it is from division 3, pretty simple problem, straightforward, just basic mathematics, and you have to observe, do a little bit of dry run, do it with an example. So in the problem what it is saying is that there is a guy, he has been given a table, and it is that table is increasing 1 2 3 4 5 6, but what he wants to do is that he wants to make the table like this. It should increase as we go on with the columns, so 1 2 3 4 5 in this way. So what the question is saying that according to the by column, I have been given a number, and I have to tell that what will be the number in when the table is in by rows format. Okay, so let's quickly understand the problem through a example. So in this table, what it is given is that I have been given a number, say 11, and this is the by column, and this one is the by row. So I have been given 11. I have to tell that if the table was in by row, what will be that number. So it is clear from this table that it will be pretty much 9. So how do I find it? So the main key to find it is that first I have to get the location of 11. Okay, so to get the location of 11, it is pretty simple. What I will do is that I will divide 11. So I will have to get the column and the rows. Okay, so to get the column, I will have to divide 11 by 3. So there are 3 rows, so 11 by 3 will give me 4. So it means that my 11 lies in the fourth column, and then I have to get the row. So in case of row, I will get the row will be second. Yes, second row. And then to get that what will be in by column, it will be pretty simple. What I will do is that since there are 5 elements in a column, I will multiply 5 with row minus 1. So these elements will be in the previous row, so it will be so the row is 2. So what I will do is that 5 into 2 minus 1, so that will be 5. So before this row there will be 5 numbers, and to get the exact number, it will be pretty simple. I will just add the column. So the column is 4, so it will be 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So here are some edge cases also, but I will just explain it when I am coding the problem. So let's code it quickly. So since the problem is saying that it can be a long integer, so I will be using long. So long uh, r comma c comma x. So these are the inputs. Now let's take them, c in r, c x, and now I will make two more variables called long capital R comma c. So these will be the locations of the x. Okay, so to get the location, I have to find the coordinate. So find coordinate. So let's first deal with the edge case. So if x percent r is equal to 0, then in that case my c will be x by r, and my row will be uh, r. And in case, I will just explain in a while that what this is. So else 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 my c will be x by r plus 1, and my r will be r will be x percent r. So you will be thinking that why I have written these two conditions. It is because, so see, in case of let's get back a little. So in case of 11, if I have to find the row, it will be straightforward. So 11 by 3, 11 by 3 will be 11 divided by 3 will be 3, and I am adding 1 to it. Okay, so the row is going to be 4. But in case of 12, 12 by 3 will directly give me 4. So if I add plus 1, then my row will be 5, but that is not the case here. So that is why for all the elements in the last row, I have to make a special case. So I have to write a basic else condition. You can easily find it out by uh, just writing it yourself. And then the answer is pretty simple. So I will just make the another variable called long result, and it will be basically c into so c is the number of columns given initially, so that is basically in this case 5. So 5 into row minus 1, the row that I have derived right now, so it will be r minus 1, and I will add the column that I have derived from this finding the coordinate, and I will return it. So return res. In case this is a void function, so I will print it. Sorry, cout res endl. So that's the problem. Let's run it on this, and it takes a little bit of time here. So it has run, and if I submit it, it will also get submitted, but it will take some time. Let's wait. Submitting to Codeforces, running on test one, accepted. So that's the problem for you, pretty simple. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.